Welcome to today's Free Flow, a blend of meridian tapping and Qigong-inspired movements to refresh and recharge your mind and body. If you've been feeling drained, depleted, or low on energy, this practice will help you reset and leave you feeling recharged. So if that sounds good to you, let's find a quiet place to practice and let's get started. We will begin our practice with some meridian tapping to set our intentions for the day. So simply tap where I tap and repeat after me, starting on the inner eye. I choose to recharge. Outer eye, to fill my tank back up. Under eye, charge my energy. Lip, my health. Chin, my vitality. Collarbone, so I can feel better. Underarm, think clearer. Top of the head, become the most optimal version of myself. Squeezing the wrist 3 finger widths down, taking a deep breath in through the nose, and a slow breath out. Feet remaining shoulder width apart, bringing your hands up, pushing them down and back, and coming up onto your toes. Repeating this a few times as you pull your hands up, opening up the chest, letting them swing back, coming up on your toes. Last time as you come back and open up and forward up on toes, coming back to center. Stepping out wider, allowing your arms to lay loose by your side, begin rotating from your waist, allowing your arms to knock on your lower back and lower stomach. And begin going deeper into the rotation, looking over shoulder as you turn. And you can begin to slow down, bringing your head to center, allowing your arms to slow down, and coming to a stop. And bringing your legs back in, beginning with a soft bounce. We'll begin tapping all over, starting on our head, starting at the front of the scalp and working your way back. Repeating this a few times. And tapping right on the top of the shoulders. And working your way down the inside of the arm and up the outside. Either arm is fine. And rotating to the other side. Down the inside, up the outside. Moving on to your chest. And working your way down to the stomach, continuously bouncing as you tap. And coming down the inside of the leg and up the outside. Repeating this 2 more times, down the inside, up the outside, and last time. Then coming down the front of the legs, and up the back, and repeating this 3 times as well. Last time as you come down the front of the legs and up the back. And then come to a stop. Legs coming back out to wider than shoulder width, placing one hand on your lower back. The other is going to scoop down in front of you as you bend in the knees. Rotate palm facing out as you sweep across the sky. Switching sides, scooping and sweeping, and continue to alternate from side to side. You can either breathe normally here, or if you want to do more of an invigorating style of breathing, you can inhale as you scoop and exhale as you sweep. We're going faster than our normal style of Qigong, but really to wake up and energize the body. One more time on each side, scooping and sweeping, rotating hands as you scoop and sweep. And coming in, feet are going to touch, so bring them close together, placing hands together in prayer pose. Keeping your forearms parallel with the floor, pushing your hands in one direction and rotating with your waist and your head in the opposite. Adding some dynamic to the movement, taking your hands and start swimming them up slowly back and forth, almost like a snake swimming through the water as they make their way overhead. Allowing your hands to lead the movement. Where your hands go, your body follows. And slowly working them back down. Back to chest level, and then start swimming back up. Having them reach overhead and begin making your journey back down. Coming back to chest level, and then going back to the original motion of shifting from side to side, hands in one direction, torso and head in the opposite. One more time in each direction. And coming to center, allowing your hands to fall down. Stepping out wider than shoulder width as you scoop your arms up, clasping together and pushing down into a squat. You can stay here for a moment as you rock, pushing arms up, floating back down. Scooping, hands clasped, down into a squat, gentle rocking and pushing back up. Arms floating down, scooping up, clasping and down into a squat as you rock. Repeating this just a few times. And remember, always going at a speed that feels comfortable for you. Here we're energizing the body, so movements are a bit quicker, but you can slow them down if needed. Last time as you scoop up, clasping hands down into a squat, and placing your hands on the ground in front of you, giving some subtle movements to your spine. You can arch and relax or rotate at your hips. Do whatever feels good for you. Just working out that further tension within our shoulders as we finish up our practice. And rolling yourself back up to standing as you prepare for our final round of tapping. Let's affirm to our body and mind what we have just accomplished, starting on our inner eye. I am recharged. Outer eye, every cell in my body. Under eye vibrates with new energy. Lip, my body feels strong. Chin, my mind clear and focused. Collarbone, I welcome this fresh new energy. Side of the body, my battery pack is at 100%. Top of the head, taking on the day, feeling refreshed, renewed, and recharged. And allow your arm to come down by your side, feeling into this new, profound, beautiful energy you just created. Hopefully it feels good. Let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing from you guys. And I will see you next week. Much love.